Hello there! This is me Vijayadash from Vijay.net and welcome to my presentation. How are you all? I'm doing great by the grace of Almighty and I hope you are doing great too by the grace of Almighty. So today in this presentation I'll present some important telephone phrasal verb for you that will be really helpful for you to make a conversation, to communicate with your friends, with your relatives, with your parents, with someone in a telephone conversation, in a telephone, in a mobile phone with a great way, with a great manner. And it's gonna be the video of some important telephone phrasal verb part 1. So no more talking, let's start our mission. Cut off. This is a very important telephone phrasal verb that means to interrupt a telephone conversation. Sometimes we need to interrupt someone in a telephone conversation. So here you can call it cut off. That means to interrupt a telephone conversation. You can say it as this way called sorry for cut you off. Sorry for cut you off. That means that you are gonna cut somebody off in a telephone conversation. So here you can use this phrasal verb called cut off. That means to interrupt a telephone conversation. Hang off. This is a very common phrasal verb for every telephone. This is a very common phrasal verb. That means to end a telephone conversation and put the phone down. That means you are going to end a telephone conversation and after ending your telephone conversation, you'll put your phone down. You can put your phone on a table, on a chair, on a desk, as these kinds of things. So here, hang up means to end a telephone conversation and put the phone down. This is a very important phrasal verb for a telephone conversation. Then, speak up. This is really very common phrasal verb for a telephone conversation. That means speak up. That means to speak louder. Sometimes our opposite person speak in a very short voice, in a very small voice. So here you can use this phrasal verb called speak up. That means to speak louder. You can request her or him to speak a little bit louder. So here you can use it as this way called could you please speak a little bit louder? Could you please speak a little bit louder? That means speak up, to speak a little bit louder. Then, this is really important, not only important but also very common phrasal verb for every person. That means hold on, hold on. That means that to wait for a short time. Sometimes we need to cut somebody off in a telephone conversation for 1 minute, for 2 minutes, for 10 minutes or for seconds. So here you can use this phrasal verb called hold on. Could you please hold on a minute? Could you please hold on a minute? That means to wait for a short time. You are requesting someone to wait for a short time. So here you can use this phrasal verb called hold on, hold on, hold on. That means to wait for a short time. So guys, I hope you will love this presentation and you will also practice these kinds of phrasal verb whenever we will start any kinds of conversation with someone in a telephone. So I hope you will love this presentation and I hope you will also follow these kinds of phrasal verb in your daily life. So guys, that's all about my today's presentation. I hope you will love my presentation and I hope you will also follow this presentation, this lesson. So guys, that's all for today. Next time I'll come up with another interesting presentation. But if you like this presentation, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe the channel Vijay.net and of course press the bell icon for my next video. Thank you so much for listening me and watching to me. Thank you. See you around in the next video. Bye bye.